Hello, my lovelies. How are we doing today? Well, today I'm going to go back to good old Swarkston Bridge. I'm going to do the swoosh.
Red light camera.
Coming along with me is my friend Emma. You may have seen it before at Froggy. So let's get there before it gets too busy on this bloody road. Wow. So here we are then. Swarkston Bridge today. I'm with the lovely Emma, and here she is. Look, you may have seen her before. When we both chickened out of going across a scary bridge, jumping into the water. So today, thank you, mister. This is Swarkston Bridge. One of the longest bridges from the 1700s.
It is long, actually.
Yeah, this used to be a floodplain, and what happened was, years and years ago, this engaged lady was waiting for her fiance on that side of the river.
Yeah.
He was eager to see her because he was about to get married. There's lots of kissing going on. He came across the river just here on his horse, but the river was so strong it swept him down towards Nottingham and never to be seen again. Died.
Oh no.
So what she did was, this spinster never ever got married, saved all her money, built this bridge. Hello. Isn't that beautiful? Tragic. I love a good story. Right, let's go for a swim. So we walk past the pub, down the little lane, and past this beautiful house. And we come to a lovely little kissing gate that Emma has already beat me to, just down here. And then we see, look, the river just down there, don't we, Em? Right, let's go for this swim. Or it rains. Or thunders! Walking down the old Trenty Trent, just over there. And hopefully, those trees there, is where we're going to go in. And have our beautiful little swoosh. See you in a bit. And after about a 10-minute walk from the pub, we get to there, look. Can you see Emma, look? On Swarkston Beach. What do you think, Em? Perfect, isn't it? Right, let's go in. So, Emma, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Should we do this?
Let's do this.
Let's get changed. Oh, by the way, what do you think's my beautiful new bag? Isn't it lovely?
Amazing.
Amazing. Apparently,
Very
Emma said that's the only colour they had.
Emma.
Yeah, I think she may have led me up a little dark path there. So this is it. Look at it. Should we have a look?
You can have a look.
Oh, lovely. You're going to love this. Water lilies over there. Ducks there. Oh, I think I was kingfisher. I think it was. Did you see it?
No.
There's plenty of dragonflies as well. Right, let's pump our bits up. Let's do it. Bah. Right, let's do this. You come in.
Yep. Onwards.
Let's get in. Now then, let's see. I think it's close. Why have I got such a long, really long street? Oh, that's the world of wildlife. Yeah. So what's that? No, what's that? That's all fixed in, isn't it? I'll avoid the question, yeah? Huh? It won't honestly pick up. It won't pick up. Yeah. I'm just doing like a circuit. Yeah. Yeah. Oh really? Yeah. How have you? Lovely, isn't it? It's very rough. That's it. Oh, you got shoes on, haven't you? Oh, so we've just got out of there. What did you think of them?
Amazing!
It was super nice, wasn't it? Let me just show you where I
Are your keys in here?
got in. This is the bit to get in. There you go. Just there. Fucking lovely. Right, if you like that, you know what you have to do, don't you? Watch that video and subscribe. Thanks very much. Cheers now. Bye bye.